FitLab Pittsburgh podcast, back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today's tip is to take 5. That's 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes for yourself over the course of the day and just take care of you. So if you have a job that keeps you chained to a desk, whether it's a sitting desk or a standing desk, find 5 minutes to move and really move for those 5 minutes, whether it's taking a stroll around the block, walking up and down the stairs, walking up and down the hallway. Just get moving for 5 minutes. If you have a job that has you on the move, find 5 minutes of quiet to just sit down. Maybe take a meditation moment, or maybe just sit and breathe, but take 5 minutes for you. It's not a lot of time. It may seem like a hard struggle to do, but see if you can find 5 minutes over the course of the day that's just for you. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.